In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe from Zoho Books. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, so by the end, you'll be able to accept online payments from your invoices with Stripe directly through Zoho Books. First, log into your Zoho Books account and head over to the Settings section. This is usually found as a gear icon, often in the upper corner of the screen. Once you're in Settings, look for the Customer Payments area, and under that, select Online Payments. This is where Zoho lists all the payment gateways you can connect to your account. On the Online Payments page, you'll see Stripe listed among the available options. Find Stripe and click the Set Up Now button. This tells Zoho Books you want to connect your Stripe account for handling payments. You'll now be redirected to Stripe's website. Here, you need to log into your Stripe account using your usual credentials. Take a moment to make sure you're signing in to the correct Stripe account, especially if you manage more than one business. Once you've entered your email and password, continue to sign in. After logging in, Stripe will show you a screen where you can connect your account to Zoho Books. If you already have an existing Stripe account, simply select it from the drop-down menu and click Connect. This gives Zoho permission to create and manage payments on your behalf. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, Stripe will guide you through creating one first. You'll need to complete that setup, then return to this connection screen and finish the process. Once the connection is successful, you can configure which payment methods you want to offer your customers. Depending on your region and your Stripe setup, this might include credit cards, debit cards, or bank-based payments. Choose the methods that make the most sense for your customers and your business, keeping in mind fees and convenience. Optionally, you can also set up a webhook to keep Zoho Books and Stripe in sync automatically. To do this, copy the webhook URL that Zoho Books provides for Stripe integration. Then, in your Stripe dashboard, go to the developer settings and add a new endpoint. Paste the Zoho webhook URL into the endpoint URL field. For events, select charge, succeeded, charge, failed, and customer.source.updated. This ensures that successful payments, failed attempts, and updates to customer payment sources are all sent back to Zoho Books. Finally, once everything is connected, you can enable Stripe on your invoices. When you create or edit an invoice in Zoho Books, select Stripe as the online payment option. When your customer receives the invoice email, they'll see a Pay Now link. Clicking that will let them pay securely through Stripe, and those payments will flow right back into Zoho Books, making reconciliation much easier.